Hey guys, Joe DeMarco from the Crazy New York Driver Show. Today is Monday, September 20th, 2021. Welcome to another eBay video. Today we're going to be discussing the eBay Promoted Listings Advanced Beta feature. I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm going to give you my observations and opinion on this. So please watch the screen as we go along, and I'll walk you through it. Now, I imagine today some of you guys also got this email from eBay saying that you are allowed to now enter this program. So I want to do a little exploration here. I want to dive into it, and I want to tell you the positive and the negative things as I see them. So let's now start a campaign. Now, I'm not actually going to start this campaign, but let's just say I was going to name it Chevy Sales. Now, the very next field, as you can see, is concerning. $1 minimum bid. You know, when I first saw this, I thought I might be reading it wrong, but I'm not reading it wrong. The minimum bid on this cost per click feature is $1. And that can drive many, many sellers into the poorhouse very quick, and I'll explain why in a minute. The start date and the end dates are basically self-explanatory, so we're going to go right past that now. Here, you can name your ad group. I'm not going to do that right this minute. I'm going to jump right to add listings here. Now, here it tells you your items, what you're asking for them, this and that, how long it's been on the site. I'm going to start with this item here, the top one, that's been on eBay for 41 days. All right, so I'm going to add that. I'm only going to add that for now. Okay, now eBay automatically chooses the top 11 keywords in this case for that particular item. Apparently, this is what people would search for if they were looking for that item. So you would go with those suggested keywords most likely. But now keep in mind, let me just, in case you didn't remember, I'm going to go back. The item in question, which I'm going to show you, I should have mentioned this earlier, right here, is $114. Now, how many people can click on that item and not buy it at $1 each before my profit margin is wiped right out? Think about that, okay? Also think about this. Suppose there was competition. Another seller, even a mom and pop seller, or anybody who has this same exact item for sale. They could click on it with no intention of buying it, just to ring up the cost of an extra $1. Okay, let me jump over to the sneaker category now. I was browsing this earlier. I chose sneakers because they tend to be very expensive. And in order to really use this cost per click feature, you have to be selling something with a huge profit. Like, for instance, this one here for $25 would definitely not pay. Because how much money is the guy making in profit right now? And if he gets a few bogus pay-per-view clicks at $1 each, that's going to cut right into what little profit he's got. Now here you have a guy who's asking $1,500 for a pair of sneakers. That guy might want to enroll in the cost per click feature because to him it would be beneficial. He could get his item to the top. And I'm sure he didn't pay anywhere near $1,500 for a pair of sneakers. All right, so he can afford to be pretty liberal with spending money on the advertising aspect of his campaign. Now there's another thing that concerns me with this cost per click feature. Let's use this guy as an example right here with the $1,500 sneakers. Let's say he enrolls, and let's say 30 people click on his item before he finally gets a sale. And then on number 31, he does get a sale. Now it cost him $30, right? Right? Now suppose the person who bought the item then wants to cancel because eBay showed him the same items cheaper from another seller. This is something I don't think anybody has looked at yet, and it concerns me. This seller will have lost $31 in pay-per-click ad money, all right? The person who won the item, hypothetically of course, is shown the same or a very similar item from eBay at a cheaper price, then wants to cancel. Does this buyer get the $31 pay-per-click fee back? I sincerely doubt it, guys. So that is something you really need to keep in mind. Plus, like I said earlier, I'm sure this guy has competition on eBay, people selling the same sneaker who could just click on his campaign maliciously to cost him $1 per click. Okay? I'm not sure if it's for unique clicks or not. For instance, if I clicked on this guy's listing right now and he was enrolled in it, it would cost him $1 if he was enrolled in a pay-per-click beta feature. But suppose I click on his item in 1 hour and then again 2 hours. Does he get charged $1 every time I click on it? Because that could drive him right out of business. Or is it just for the one unique click? But even if it is just for the one unique click, that could add up pretty darn fast. And if you sell in a category that's very competitive, this could really add up to serious money. So basically, that's all I have to tell you right now. I wanted you guys to know that this is live for many sellers, but not all sellers. What I'd like you guys to do is answer 2 questions for me. Question number 1, did you get this email from eBay today? Question number 2, what are your thoughts on it, and will you enroll in it? I'm especially interested from those people who are going to enroll in it. What are you selling, and can you afford $1 per click? I can't. And I sell a lot of merchandise on eBay. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm Crazy New York Driver, and you're not. Please weigh in with your feelings, both pro and con, about eBay's promoted listing advanced beta feature. It's really important, and I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Thank you for watching. Rock on, and peace!